Good morning, ESL tours. Sorry this is a little later to post. I had to actually do the video assignment. I took Lily to the doctor yesterday. She was running a fever, so I didn't get much done yesterday afternoon. But here is what the assignment is for today. Like all of you still owe me the work from yesterday, so make sure you do that first. In fact, we'll go and look at it. Let's do that. Let's look at yesterday. So there is an assignment from yesterday where you are supposed to go into the expository essay assignment, and you're actually coding my essay that I wrote, and you are you're color coding the parts of it based on the outline. So there's a lesson about that, and also I talked to Shahed about it yesterday. I will post that WebEx so you can watch that where it has more instructions. So after you finish that, you can go to today's work, which is to actually start your outline. So again, this is a Google Doc. Yours will look slightly different when you open it. Yours won't have these two. What it will say is my document. It might also say over here, can't see your document? Click here. So if you can't see a link to a document down here, you need to click over here first. Otherwise, you might see a link to Google Docs down here. Click it to connect the Google Doc to this assignment. You have to use your @mypanthers.org email. Schoology was having some troubles earlier this week. It appears to be better, though you might want to try this a little bit later in the day. But it does work. I have it working in my other classes. I know it can work. Before you do this assignment, though, make sure that you look at this instructions 1. It's going to tell you what to do. And then you can look at my example outline with topic and thesis sentences. This is what your assignment should look like at the end of the day today. However, do not submit it. This is really important because I'm going to look at the Google Doc. You're not going to submit it until you're done on Tuesday. Okay, so that is it for today. I will spend the last 20 minutes of our class in with WebEx on, so drop in if you have questions. Make sure you are taking a look. I think some of you are several days behind. If you have not posted anything to this class this week, I have to mark you absent. So I'm going to be messaging some of you to make sure that you are not marked absent for the week. Okay, so good luck. Message me or show up in the WebEx if you have questions. I will talk to you later. Bye.